No camper, no campgrounds, hotel. We're done. We're stranded. Basically, we are in tourist mode. That's the best word to describe where we're at right now, our position right now. Tourist mode. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing good. Like I mentioned, Myrna and I are basically stranded. We're basically stranded here. We are still in Indiana. We are awaiting. We're just waiting. We're just waiting for our RV to be repaired. It's still out at Affinity. Like I mentioned, we basically are in tourist mode. We have no camper, nowhere to camp. We're stuck at a hotel. Well, I shouldn't use the word stuck. It's actually a pretty good place. We're very comfortable. We have kitchen, have a gym to work out in every morning. We're doing good. It's okay. I mean, if we're gonna get stuck somewhere, this is the kind of place to get stuck. But we are basically in tourist mode. That's what we're doing. So we are going to take the next few days while we're still waiting for our camper to get done, and we're going to do a few touristy things. One that we're going to do today, we're going to head out there today. I don't know if you guys remember, we're still in Mishawaka, Indiana. Mishawaka, Indiana is about 27 miles outside of Goshen and Elkhart, that area. But we are only 1 mile outside of South Bend, Indiana. Now, South Bend, Indiana, for those of you that follow college sports or you're into that kind of stuff, you know that South Bend, Indiana is the home to the University of Notre Dame. Now, University of Notre Dame is from what we understand, is a very unique and interesting, university. It's got some historical buildings and stuff like that. Not really quite sure if you guys are into that stuff or not. If you're into it, good for you. I'm going to share some footage of that because we're going to go today to the University of Notre Dame. We're going to drive around and I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to share them with you guys. If you're not into that, then go ahead and fast forward through this and just go on to the next segment. But stand by. We're heading out to South Bend, Indiana, University of Notre Dame, and we're going to share with you guys some pictures of the campus. Good morning, guys. It is another day still up here in Mishawaka, Indiana. I hope you guys enjoyed the yesterday's segment at Notre Dame University. Let me tell you, my opinion on that place. What a beautiful campus. What a beautiful campus. Everything brand new, pristine. It's funny because my daughter made a joke, and she says, it better be clean for the amount of money that people pay to go there. I guess she may be a little bit right. But today is a new day, and I'm going to keep with what I said. We're going to play tourists. Today we are going to head out, and we're going to head out to the motorhome / RV Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame or museum. I'm not really quite sure which one it is. I'll let you know when I get there. We're going to go check that out, and we're going to bring Nugget along with us. And see how that works out. And I'm going to do basically what I did yesterday. I hope you guys, I hope it's not too boring, but rather than have me talking and try to talk about things that I probably don't know anything about, I'll just show you guys some pictures, and that way you guys can enjoy what we watch. Well, there you have it. I guess I was right on both accounts. Hall of Fame and museum. interrupt this program. I said I wasn't going to do much videoing unless really something interesting came up. Here's something interesting. If you guys follow my channel and know that I have once in a while given credit to a few YouTubers that inspired our journey, this is one of them right here. Keep Your Daydream. They purchased this not too long ago. They did a few months on the road, and I guess they donated it to the Hall of Fame. Here it is, the Bluebird. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is yet, and I keep saying yet, another day here in Mishawaka, Indiana. We are steadily but surely transitioning from tourist to, I think, hermit crabs. We've become hermit crabs. We're still here at the hotel. I don't know, we're like in day 6, 7, 5. I don't know. The days just run together of the repair process. Although I did tell you guys from the beginning, we're not in a rush. We want it done correctly, and I'm going to give you guys a little teaser. You're just going to have to stick around and wait for the next episode. I have been given photos of the repairs that are currently going on in our unit, and they are mind-boggling, mind-blowing. It is amazing. You know, I envisioned it going a certain way, and it is definitely escalated into something that I never imagined, the repairs. But you're going to have to stick around for that one, and it's going to be in the next video. As far as this video is concerned, yesterday, or the day before yesterday, not quite sure, like I said, my days run together. With our tourist hat on, we did a tour of the motorhome RV Hall of Fame / museum / library. It was a mishmash of different things. I brought to you guys some pictures. I will tell you this: the library part and really the Hall of Fame part didn't really impress me much, or it wasn't really my cup of tea. But the museum, the RV industry, that was pretty interesting, pretty impressive. I mean, dating all the way back, I want to say it's the early 1900s when RVs were first developed. I will tell you this: I am very, very glad that the RV industry has evolved, the way it has thus far, because had I been from that generation or from that era and been with Myrna during that time, there is no way she would have gone RVing with me. When you look at some of the earlier RVs that were developed, during the process, when you look at some of those RVs and where we're at today, huge strides, thank God, huge strides. But nonetheless, it was very interesting. We had a good time, but like everything, this has to come to an end too. The tourist part of this season, episode 6 or 7, I'm not sure which episode this is, that has got to come to an end. So on that note, I am going to close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I brought to you wearing our tourist hat, and like I said, you're gonna want to stick around for the next video, which is the repairs, everything going on in the coach. You're not gonna want to miss that. I mean, if you own an RV okay, you know full and well that things happen to the RVs that need repair. The repairs that we're having done to our RV, I pictured it going one way. What they have had to do to make these repairs, like I said, is going to blow your mind. Trust me. Stick around. You're going to want to see that next episode coming up. As for this one, I'm going to go ahead and close it out, and I'm going to see you guys at the next one.